Yep, gonna be needing some of those. Let's hop to it. Hold 5 pounds for 15 minutes.
Good morning, everybody. Back at the Albany utility we did. Got the sewer on test. I'm gonna bed all this in with gravel. Let's start bedding all this in. Just a sprinkle. So this will be what the pipe is going to sit on. Come out here with a shovel. Gravel under there that holds that up, so flow will go down. See what I'm saying? So it's above the flow line. We got the sewer and storm all bedded in, nice and pretty. The inspector's gonna like that. Got the power bedded in. So now we're gonna lay our gas line. So 3 feet from that, and a foot away from that water line. The excavator shovel right here.
That's all there is to it.
We're gonna go over here and get this walkway all done up. Part of this patio up till there, to the storm and sewer, because obviously you can't bury them. Done with that. I'm gonna wait till I can bury all this so I can get my width of my patio. Couldn't help myself. The food truck came, and that is one good chili verde burrito. So I just remembered that getting a big roll on the side of that house, that they're getting a big gravel walkway all the way to the end of the man door. So I'm not even going to touch that, and I can't. Power inspections aren't coming today, so I'm just going to leave that alone until I get more gravel and these holes get filled in. came and loved everything. So now we get to backfill it and move on. So all this is going to be gravel right here. It's inside the driveway. Everything's bedded in. Want to put a little bit of gravel over it, maybe a foot or so. This is all going to be yard, good sized yard, all the way out to the sidewalk, side of the house. It's lunchtime. I don't have Frank with me today. It's all right. He had the day off or something, but yeah, I'm gonna eat some food. So lunch went well. Ate some what? Alright, so the inspector that came today said that the guy that normally comes and inspects had a class or something today. So, you know, he said everything was legit, backfill it. So, okay, I did. Well, out of the blue pops our normal inspector. And it's like, what are you doing here? Guess they filed for 2 inspectors on the same thing? I have no idea. I'm just gonna work my way around, get dirt placed, and once I get all the dirt placed, I'll then go in and pretty it up, and then go get my concrete prep prettied up, and can't get more gravel till Monday. That's fine, because I can't get inspections on power till Monday at least. So we got to add a downspout on this back patio, and where it would be up by the house, it would have to 90 around a bunch of windows, and they don't like to do that out here. So we like to run it out to the post.
The center of the pier pad is at 11'10".
Little duct tape hack. If you're tired of peeling that, if you get stuck like that, just bend it. You don't have that issue no more. Every time. the dirt moved already. That dirt's staying there. For that front of the house needs a little bit of dirt. So from like the edge of my bucket, that way there's gonna be a gravel little path. That's what the homeowner wants, so that's what the homeowner gets. Alright, so we got the backyards done as best as we can. That fence grade and house sit way lower than what this house is going to be, so they got to bring up some 2x6s so we can make this yard not do this. So anyway, got the front yard all done. Got up here, basically all done. So all I'm got to do now is work this slope, and I'm going to work my way out of here. Alright, we're all done with that. A little bit of trash in the yard, but there's about to be a lot more trash in here. So got a little bit of slope here and then straight down to the sidewalk. Looking good. This is all going to get walked on and trampled and all that. But anyway, if you like what you see here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Maybe hit that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.